can't complain. I used to be dead, bro. Now nigga playing with a bankroll. I'ma get it into the bank, low. No, I can't.
Hey Pat, man, and y'all about to learn how to change an oil filter on the Cummins engine. Hey, and y'all can see my shade tree mechanic skills. You see here. I'm going on screw, baby. Top of it has been broken off the side of there. I know I made a mess. I'm gonna clean it up later. I'm gonna get my butt kicked. So let me go ahead and try to put this right here. Woo. Yes, guys. Hold on. Oh no, that's my receipt. Hold on. Woo. So I wound up getting the Fleet Guard. It's the same thing for the Cummins engine, and what mine was missing was this whole grommet piece right here. None of this was there, so it was just straight metal on metal, and it was causing a leak that caused your oil to drip down real slow and cause problems. So when this goes missing and it's just that bare metal around it, your oil is gonna leak out of there. Whatever you can do, just try to get this replaced. It was only 37 bucks. So y'all gonna see me put this on. That you actually need to put this oil back into the top of the oil filter, make sure it's all lubed up and everything, and everything's all copacetic. You don't want to be dry. You know what I'm saying? You gotta dab a little oil in there. You know what I'm talking about? But anyway, you get that, you put that in there. Remember, always use your recommended oil. Mine used 10W30, long engine life. It has a lot of miles on it. So we're gonna put this in there and y'all gonna see me dabbling in the oil. Ha. Just pick this up. Make sure you fill that mug all the way up to the top. Make sure it's full. Make sure oil can go back in and out and all that good stuff. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So you're gonna stick your finger in there and just put oil everywhere. Folks looking at me like, why is he playing in oil? Asking questions. Shit. But let's see here. I'm trying to get it all over, making a mess. Pour that up there. Everything was on there tight. You can't really, I couldn't do it with both hands. I need a stand. But everything's on there fitted. It's on there tight. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't pay attention to me. I have to clean this up after. You know? I don't want to get in trouble or ticketed. But that's my end result. And that's how you change your filter on a 2017 Cummins. Remember to like and subscribe.